Originally, when the Whitewater Park was designed, this was a neglected creek corridor. Now we've been able to design all sorts of recreation features that brings everyone downtown.
I'm actually part of the U.S. team, and so I'm training for the World Championships in Slovenia this September.
We were thinking we were building this for paddlers. What we have found is the Whitewater Park is now being used by tubers, canoers, kayakers, swimmers, families taking picnics, people just walking down want to have a great place for lunch. We train beginning whitewater paddlers on the river. There are commercial outfitters that do canoe and kayak instruction on the river. So if you want to learn, you can take lessons from a commercial outfitter on the river.
I think it's fun. I know like a 6-year-old who does this and he enjoys it a lot. I've gotten my friends in it before and they all love it. They've asked me to come paddle with them again. So, I mean, it's for everyone. There's kids all over who kayak and canoe, and it's just really fun for everyone.
The Golden Whitewater Park and River Corridor is a break from the city. On a hot day, this is a great place to hang out.